Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe DocuSign. Electronic signatures have become an essential tool for modern business, allowing you to sign and manage documents efficiently from anywhere. Adobe Document Cloud provides a robust platform for all your digital document needs, and DocuSign is a leading solution within this ecosystem. We'll explore how this powerful tool can streamline your workflows, enhance security, and save you valuable time, making document management simpler and more accessible for everyone involved. Sending a document for signature is straightforward. First, you'll upload your document to the platform. Next, you'll add your recipients, clearly defining their roles and the actions they need to take. Then, simply drag and drop the necessary fields, like signature blocks and date fields, onto the document. Finally, you can add a personalized message before sending it off. This process ensures everyone knows exactly what to do, making the signing experience smooth and professional for all parties. When you receive a document for signing, the process is just as simple. You'll get an email notification with a secure link to the document. Click on it to open and review the document thoroughly, ensuring everything is correct. Then, simply click on the designated signature fields to apply your electronic signature. The platform guides you through each step, making it easy to complete. Once you've signed all required fields, confirm your action, and the document is securely sent back. Managing your documents after they've been sent or signed is incredibly easy with DocuSign. You can track the real-time status of all your documents, seeing who has viewed, signed, or is yet to act. All completed documents are securely stored and readily accessible from your account, providing a comprehensive digital archive. Plus, detailed audit trails offer a complete record of every action taken on a document, ensuring transparency and compliance. This robust management system keeps you organized and informed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.